Hey there, my name is Joshua Lisbon and I work for MPG Ranch in the Bitterroot Valley. And I'm here just to tell you a little bit about how awesome Ecology Project International is. They are a nonprofit organization that offers incredible science-based experiential education to young people around the world. And my feeling is that if you really want to make a difference, then providing quality education to young people is the way to go. They are our future and they are the ones who are going to make a difference moving forward. And the more we can invest in young people, the better the world's going to be. And I think EPI does a fantastic job of exactly that. So I've worked with Ecology Project as a partner for almost a decade now, and together we run the Bitterroot Wildlife Internship that offers educational opportunities to youth from wherever, and we base them in the Bitterroot Valley of western Montana, and they can get some incredible hands-on work in the field, curriculum that we've developed, and they get to work with some amazing staff and spend time also with a group of amazing students. And for me, this has just been a really transformative experience. I've grown as an educator, and it's been wonderful for me to watch this project take root and evolve over the years and really offer these opportunities to young people. So I can't say enough good about this organization. I absolutely love working with them. I love everybody I've met who works there. They're just fantastic people. They're dedicated. And they just want to make the world a better place. So I hope that you'll support Ecology Project International. Thanks.